Hello, in front of me I have got SteelSeries Arctis 9X. In this video I'll show you how to connect it with Xbox. In the beginning, press and release the connect button on your Xbox. The button is located on the left side of the console. If you have an S or X version, the button is on the front in the lower right corner. The Xbox logo on the console will begin blinking. Now, turn your headphones off. And now press and hold the power button for 6 seconds. Your headphones will automatically pair with your Xbox. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.